Hi, Nick Perdomo from Perdomo Cigars here in our packaging facility in Esteli, Nicaragua. After the color sorting, the girls here are going to start banding, cellophaning, barcoding, boxing all the cigars. After each one of those are done meticulously, believe it or not, we have 8 girls that we call our final circle of trust that produce the 18th and final quality control step, and they actually take out each and every cigar out of the box again. After they do that, they check each one rigorously to make sure they're perfect before they get put back into the box of each and every Perdomo cigar that we manufacture. And then they'll eventually put the shelf talker inside the box. They'll put the vista, or the interior part of the box you see on this 20th anniversary sun-grown torpedo that they're doing right now. They'll close the box, and then they'll individually put each and every box wrap back on, and you'll see they have a jig, so it's perfectly put on regardless of whatever size of the 20th anniversary, whatever Perdomo cigar they're doing. And then you'll see that they'll turn the box upside down, and they'll sign off on it, and that'll be the 18th and final quality control step that'll be done before it goes into shrink wrapping, and then the cigar will be perfect before it goes to you, our consumer, anywhere around the world. So this is Nick Perdomo. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed the packaging department.